Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 361 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the AOA Studio Velour Eyeshadow to try out. I have this here in the shade Lucky Star, which looks so pretty, but this comes in so many different shades on the ShopMissA website. So it's only $1, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's paraben free, and it's pretty high rated on the ShopMissA website. And this reminds me a lot of the AOA Studio Velour Mousse highlighter, which I love so much. I actually have it on my cheeks today. I love that highlighter. It's like my go-to highlighter now. I'm pretty sure I have barely used any other highlighter since I tried that one. And if you want to see my video on that, I will link that video down below. But because of that, it makes me extra excited to try out the eyeshadow. Hopefully I'll love this formula too. So I'm gonna just start out by swatching it. Oh yeah. So I will say it is a little bit more firm than the mousse texture of the highlighter, but it is still a pretty soft, creamy formula. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like that applies with such gorgeous full pigment, and it really does have like that wet feel to it. And here you can see how it's swatched so beautiful. Look at that shine. It's like very metallic. And this is such a pretty shade of like mauve, pinky, purple, rosy shade. So I'm very excited to see how this is going to look on my eye. The ShopMissA website says that this is great for a one-colored eyeshadow look and to just apply it with your finger, blend it out, which sounds so quick and easy to apply. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I think for the fun of it, I'm going to compare this with an eyeshadow primer versus without it. So on one eye, I will apply the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I love this eyeshadow primer. I feel like I use it in almost all of my videos at this point. And I will of course link my review to this primer down below. Okay, and while I let that primer set in, I'm going to apply it to my other eye without the primer. Oh my gosh, I love how this looks alone as a single eyeshadow color. Like while it's on my eyelid now, I feel like it looks more tan on my eyelid now, which makes it look like just such an easy wearable single color to throw on my eye, and like bringing it a little above the crease too so that you can see that color. Ooh, I really like the look of that. I'm gonna go in and build it up a little bit, since it does seem like the color changes a little bit as you build it up. Ooh. Yeah, it definitely gets more of that foiled metallic shine as you layer the color, and it does make it start to look more pinky purple. So it really is like such a cool color. Just going in with a little bit more. What I love about these velour creamy formulas is that you don't have to worry about any fallout. So you can apply these after applying the rest of your face makeup and not worry about ruining it when having to brush away any fallout. Okay, it's looking so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and apply it now to my eye with the primer on it, and we'll see if there's any difference. As far as the pigment and amount of like color, shine, using a primer versus no primer, there's really no difference in my opinion. You can't even tell that one eye has a primer versus the other doesn't. This is so cool. Like looking at my eyelids right now, they look wet and glossy, even though they're not. They just have that gorgeous metallic shine, which is like hits the light in such a way where, I hope it's like registering on camera, that really beautiful wet glossy shine. I feel like I've never really seen an eyeshadow with quite that glossy of a sheen that wasn't like a glossy eyeshadow. So that's really cool. And now I'm checking to see if there is creasing. And it's not even creasing on the eye without the primer. And I'm surprised because I have a lot of lines in my eyelids, and most eyeshadows without a primer will crease pretty bad, but this one is not, and this is a $1 product. So I'm so happy to say that I love this product. It really lived up to my expectations. The color is beautiful, the formula is amazing, it's so easy to apply. So it's everything I was hoping for. Now I'm just gonna have to go and buy this in a bunch of other colors. I'm really happy that I have this color now. I think this is a color that is very wearable to me. I think it complements my green eyes nicely too. So I will get good use out of this Lucky Star shade, but there's just so many beautiful ones. They're only $1, so I need to stock up on these. So if you like that metallic, glossy eye look, I really think that you should check these out. And if you've tried these before, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. Do you like these as much as I do? What colors do you like in them? Because I would love some recommendations when I go to buy some more. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.